Talk about the most challenging project you worked on. What were the challenges and how did you overcome them? Or, another version this question can be asked is talk about a very challenging project or a challenging project or something like that, right? I mean, it basically about challenging projects. And one important way to think about interviews is to try and get into the psyche of the interviewer and try to figure out, okay, what is this person looking for when asking for such a question? And in this question, I would say interviewers are looking for how you handle challenges, right? So, how do you handle them and how do you work around challenges? So, two, do you blame others or do you take the blame? So that's, a very key leadership quality. Do you just go around blaming others for mistakes, or do you take charge and do you also take the blame when mistakes happen? Do you learn from such experiences? So, what did the problem teach you? And then, do you have a positive outlook, and are you a problem solver? So, you know do you really look at a problem as a problem, or do you look at a problem as a learning opportunity for yourself and the team? So that's an understanding of what your interviewer is looking for. But also, I think there are different types of challenges that you might face when working on a project. So one would be complexity. It's just an extremely complex project that you're working on, an extremely complex problem that you are looking to solve. Or the other issue could be that it's a new tool or a new technology or a new methodology that you're working on. So something that's recently introduced, or you move to a new company where you're used to one tool, and then this is like a completely different tool that you're working on. Or the other thing could be a timeline or project management related issues. So you don't have enough time to solve this problem, or you don't have the right resources, or something in the project management space. The other thing could be gray requirements or not very clear requirements. I mean, that's another kind of challenge that you can face. And I would say the last kind of challenge are people related. So, of all these, when it comes to complexity or new tools or technologies, methodologies, project management or requirements or people, I would say avoid the people related problems. So, avoid speaking about it unless really needed. There will be chances when you're asked such questions. So that if the interview is planned well, you will have a question on people related problems. But in this, avoid talking about people related problems is my suggestion. So, as you prepare for the interview and you want to answer such a question, one, think of a project that you think was a challenge, and on these lines. So, whether it's complexity, new tool, project management, or requirements, right? So, think of a project, and when you answer, apply a framework, something like below. So, one, define the business question or the business problem. So, uh, what were you looking to solve from a business perspective? What was the challenge that you faced? Remember, this is about challenges, right? How did you solve it? So, what did you apply to solve this problem? And I think last but not the least, in fact, I would say it's very important, is what did you learn from the challenge and the project? So, what did you learn from the experience? So, I would say, to summarize, when talking about a challenging project, there are different types, either complexity, something new, or it's project management related, or it's requirements related, or people related. And how you answer it is to define the business question or the business problem, define the challenge. So, what challenge were you facing? How did you solve it? And what did you learn from it? Okay, good luck.